Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the attacking tactics in the manager mode in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for the beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping play and tap the manager mode. So in this manager mode, the tactics are the core of this mode. So there are some strategy that you choose for your team before at any point during the match, and your team playstyle will change based on your tactics you choose. So there are some tactics here, but the firstly is the attacking tactic. Tap the tactics button and tap the attacking. As you can see, there are three options here: build up, three transition, build up, offense and defense. You can adjust the speed, and this is the example of how it's effect of your game. Passing distance, and if you're already done with it, you can apply. And this attacking tactic will push your team into aggressive attacking position. Your player also will move further up the field with intent of scoring quickly. And these passing tendencies, the player will look for direct pass into dangerous position. And maybe there are weakness of this tactic: your midfield being out of position during change of position, and because it's high risk of being counter. So use this tactic wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.